In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly open an image using Photopea, an incredibly handy online editing tool that's often compared to Adobe Photoshop for its range of features and versatility. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Photopea's website. Open up your web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice, and type in photopea.com in the address bar, then press enter. This will bring you to the Photopea homepage where you'll see its classic green user interface. Once you're on the Photopea homepage, the next step is to open the image you wish to work on. In the upper left corner of the screen, you'll notice a tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on that tab. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, you want to select the Open option. Clicking on Open will trigger a File dialog box, which allows you to browse your computer's files and folders. Now here's where you'll choose the image that you want to edit. Use this dialog box to navigate to the location of your file. It could be in your Pictures folder, on your desktop, or perhaps tucked away in a specific project folder. Once you locate your image, click on it to select it, and then hit the Open button in the dialog box. You'll then see your image appear in the Photopea workspace, ready for you to start editing and transforming it as you see fit. And that's it. It's a simple yet crucial process to get started with your editing project in Photopea. This tool is fantastic because once you've followed these steps, you're set to explore all the creative possibilities it offers. From adjusting layers and adding effects to cropping and filtering images, Photopea is equipped with a host of features designed to cater to both beginners and experienced editors alike. A quick tip to keep in mind is that if you're planning to frequently use Photopea, you might want to bookmark the page or add it to your list of favorites. This way, accessing the tool is just a quick click away in your browser, saving you some time in the future. With these steps complete, you're now ready to embark on your editing adventure. Whether you're touching up a personal photograph or creating a design masterpiece, Photopea provides a comprehensive, cost-effective alternative to traditional editing software. Keep exploring, experimenting, and most importantly, enjoying the process of bringing your creative visions to life. Thank you for tuning in to this quick guide, and happy editing.